Hi, I'm Trevor Blumenau, CEO of Voodoo Robotics. Just wanted to bring you up to date on our new RU radios. Check out the demo. I've got 15 devices here over my right shoulder. I'm going to run a quick script over here to light them up. And you can see they all go off in almost, 2 seconds or so, something like that. Really a great performance improvement in our radio technology. We call these the RU radios, and they're part of our new Turbo 2 product. And the great news also is that your existing turbos can be upgraded. I urge you to contact us to get details on how to upgrade your existing turbos to take advantage of the speed. Let me run that demo for you again just to show you it's no accident. Here we go. All light up within the space of about 2 seconds, 15 devices. Really a great performance improvement, and really enables some new ways of using our product. Contact us for further details.